Hi there folks, welcome back to the Tower Tech. Today we're taking a look at the top 5 reasons to water cool your PC. Let's get into it. So starting at number 5, the opportunity to expand your knowledge. If you're bored of building standard PCs, you've mastered all of the various intricacies, motherboards, CPUs, GPUs, power supplies, maybe even customized sleeving on your cabling, and you're looking for a new challenge, then water cooling could be right up your street. There's tons of research that you need to do, easily as much as was required to actually build the PC in the first place. You need to learn about things like head pressure, flow rate, thermal ratings, radiators, fittings, pumps, tubing, and loads more. Coming in at number 4, it's the best everyday cooling available. Liquid nitrogen just is not practical for everyday day-to-day use. Nor is air cooling if you're really looking to push your system. Water cooling is simply the best everyday day-to-day cooling that you can get. Does require a certain degree of maintenance, but this is pretty infrequent. You're looking anywhere between 6 to 12 months, and it allows you to route heat to absolutely enormous radiators, things that span 480 or 560 millimeters on the long axis. It can rival zero load temperatures coming out of air-cooled systems when it's actually under load. Number 3, silent running. Because water cooling allows the use of numerous large fans covering expansive, huge radiators, you can run those fans at really low revolutions. It allows a tremendous amount of airflow through those radiators and minimizes the noise, except for a little bit of turbulence that you get from the air actually going through the radiators. It's substantially quieter than you would get under an air cooling system. It allows then deep immersion in games and just creates a much nicer environment to be in. No one builds a PC to feel like they're sat next to a vacuum cleaner running. Moving up our list at number 2 is overclocking potential. Because you're going to get substantially lower temperatures under a water cooling loop, this in turn allows you to push the system much harder. It allows to crank your voltages much higher, push the system much further, and actually makes that safe to do so. It also actually extends the life of your components because they're cooler. Heat being the killer of electronics, not really the voltage that you're putting through them. And there is a myriad of different cooling options available. It allows you to cool your CPU, your GPU, your memory, your VRMs, even your hard drives. Really allows you to eke out greater overclocking potential even on the same kind of CPU. Even if you've not won the silicon lottery, you can still eke out really phenomenal overclocking performance. And actually, tipping back to number 3, actually you can have that with a predominantly pretty silent system as well. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the wow factor. There is nothing like walking into a room and seeing a beautiful water-cooled PC sat in the corner. No one, I think, can disagree that there is a real wow factor associated with seeing a beautiful custom water-cooled PC in the corner. Turns your PC into a work of art and allows for a myriad of customization options that just wouldn't be afforded you if you were using stock components on air-cooled systems. You can incorporate these into themes, and it allows you to create a unique and different build from all of your mates. So there we go, guys. There are the 5 top reasons to water cool your PC. I'm going to follow this video up with the 5 top reasons not to water cool your PC. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not to catch that video. Please like and share this video. I hope you're really well wherever in the world you are, and I will see you in my next one.